Alright guys, welcome to your 50-second tutorial, and in the last tutorial we learned pretty much how to create number objects, and all we did is print it out on the screen. Now I already deleted my NSLog statement because we won't be needing it for this tutorial, but what we didn't really learn is why would we even need to create number objects ever? I mean, all we did is print them out on the screen. I mean, we've been doing that since tutorial number 1, so what's even the point of learning this stuff? Well, the beauty of a number objects is you can call methods, built-in methods that we don't even have to build on these number objects, and they can make your life a lot easier when comparing numbers. Check this out. Not even the same type. You don't even have to limit yourself to comparing two integers or two floats or two doubles. You can compare an integer to a float. So how cool is that? So let's go ahead and begin. Let's typing some code. So let's go ahead and make an if statement, and let's go ahead to test if one number is equal to another number. But unlike before where we can just put if int x equals int y, we can go ahead and compare two different number types. So remember, we have two objects, Bucky int, which is an integer of 100, and Bucky float, which is like 145 and some change. So let's go ahead and write if, and remember, this is a method. It's going to return either yes or no. So Bucky int, in the method, remember, this is built in. We don't have to make this at all. Is equal to number, and let's go ahead and press the right arrow, just keep all that. And now you say is your parameter what you want to test if it's equal to. So Bucky float. So it really doesn't matter what number you put first because you're just testing equality. I mean, if 1 is equal to 2 or 2 is equal to 1, you're going to get false both ways. So just go ahead and put exactly equal to yes. So again, this is either going to return yes or no. So if it's equal to the Bucky float, it's going to return yes. So let's go ahead and just log something out. They are equal. Make sure you put exclamation point because this will be a big moment. So else ns log they are not equal. This one won't get an explanation point because, you know, for some reason, whenever this first if statement happens, I'm always so excited, but then it's else, and it's like, yeah, I'm not that excited, so no explanation point for you. So let's go ahead and build and run this and see what we get. We got they are not equal. Why is this? Because 100 is not equal to 145, so this works. But did it just work because you're trying to compare integer to float? What happens if you did this? Well, check this out. Save it all, and bam, they are equal. So this program can indeed compare integers to floats. So it works. Beautiful. So now what else can we do? What else can we do? Way too many cans in that sentence. So anyways, let's go ahead and delete this. And let's use another common method, and that's not only testing quality, but you can also test which one is less than and which one is greater than. So let's go ahead, and this is another method called Bucky, and the method is called compare. Pretty easy. And right after, obviously, you want to write what you want to compare it to. Bucky float. So if this is equal to, and these are pretty weird stuff that they said this is equal to, ns ordr, ordered a ascending, just like that. So if you get back ns ordered ascending, and these are the built-in things, compare is built-in, and it may return ns ordered ascending if the first number is less. So let's go ahead and put first is less, else second is less. It also returns same, I think, if they're equal to, but we'll just make them not equal to. So let's do 32.20. So right now we should get back, when we call the compare method to compare Bucky float and Bucky int, we should get back ns ordered ascending, which should print out first is less. So let's go ahead and build and run this, and bam, check this out, first is less. Now let's go ahead and change this to 200 and print it out and see what we get. Second is less. So this program is also working beautifully, just like we expected. So that is kind of the beauty of creating number objects. You can compare different data types to different data types. And also, we didn't have to write a compare method. We didn't have to write a is equal to number method. Those were built-in methods that we were just able to use. Pretty sweet, huh? So that's all I want to teach you for the numbers objects from now. In the next tutorials, we're going to be going over string objects, and trust me, there is a lot of stuff to go over. So thank you guys for watching. If you want any of this source code, come copy it, put it in my forum, link below. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.